Hey! Congratulations! Now you can do juggling with 3 bottles. Next step is juggling with 4 bottles. But to do that we need to take a step back and go back to 2 bottles. We will learn just one new move. Juggling 2 bottles in one hand. Let's learn correct trajectory of this move, using our favorite items, oranges. Right hand. Do this move 50 times in a row. Left hand. Do this move 50 times in a row. Next move. Mix. Right hand. Left hand. Right hand. Left hand. Right hand. Left hand. Do this move until you can do it easily. Bottles. Please pay attention on trajectory of the move. Do this move 50 times by your right hand. Left hand. Do this move 50 times by your left hand. Next move. Mix. Right hand. Left hand. 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 Do this move until you can do it easily. Please learn this move very good. It depends on it whether you can juggle 4 bottles. Do not move on to the next lesson until you can juggle 2 bottles in one hand 50 times.